Tesla celebrates 45,000 superchargers installed worldwide. Tesla has installed 45,000 supercharger stalls worldwide, greatly accelerating the pace of rollout in recent months. Charging infrastructure is one of the most important requirements for promoting electric vehicles. On Sunday, Tesla announced a new milestone: the installation of 45,000 supercharger stalls. The company did not name the location where the 45,000th stall was installed. At the moment, superchargers are being actively installed around the world. China is one of the most dynamically developing countries in which the manufacturer pays special attention to its charging infrastructure. Today, about 33% of all supercharger stations are located there, a significant increase from 25% in November 2022. The new milestone was reached less than 5 months after the previous one. At the end of November, Tesla celebrated the installation of a 40,000th supercharger stall. This means that, on average, about 1,100 stalls were installed every month during this time, which highlights the increase in speed. For example, during the growth from 35,000 to 40,000 stalls, the company installed about 1,000 stalls per month. The milestone of 35,000 was reached in June 2022. Prior to that, the milestone of 30,000 stalls was reached in November 2021, and it took Tesla 7 months to add another 5,000. This indicates that the manufacturer is now rolling out new superchargers much faster than before. The first Tesla supercharger was installed in September 2012, and in 10 years the manufacturer has been able to achieve excellent results. By promoting electric vehicles, Tesla has gone to great lengths to create an industry from the ground up. Everything from electric vehicles and charging stations to solar panels and batteries is being created, distributed, and constantly improved to accelerate the world's transition to renewable energy. 45,000 stalls worldwide are located at over 4,965 supercharger stations. The U.S. is the country with the most charging stations, accounting for about 35% of all in existence, down from 40% in November 2022. As Tesla continues to grow rapidly in China, the country has accelerated the deployment of the superchargers there. Although China is still in second place, it is only 2% behind the U.S. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tesmanian.